Ever thought about going vegan? If so, you're not alone. More and more people are embracing this lifestyle every day. Veganism, at its core, is a way of living that attempts to exclude all forms of animal exploitation and cruelty, be it for food, clothing, or any other purpose. It's not just about diet, but also about a philosophy and a commitment to living in harmony with our fellow creatures. The reasons for going vegan are as diverse as the people who choose this path. Some are drawn to the health benefits, such as lower risk of heart disease and diabetes. Others are motivated by environmental concerns, as livestock farming is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. Still, others make the switch for ethical reasons, believing that all creatures have a right to life and freedom. So, if you're ready to take the plunge, we have some essential tips to help you get started on your vegan journey. Before diving in, it's important to understand what being a vegan truly means. While vegetarianism involves excluding meat from one's diet, veganism takes it a step further. It's not just about what's on your plate, but rather, it's a lifestyle choice that extends beyond the dinner table. Vegans strive to avoid all forms of animal exploitation, which means not only excluding animal products from their diet, but also from other aspects of their lives. This includes things like clothing made from leather, wool, or silk, and cosmetics that have been tested on animals or contain animal-derived ingredients. Veganism is an ethos, a worldview that values all sentient life and strives to reduce harm and suffering wherever possible. It's a commitment to making choices that are kinder to animals, better for our planet, and often healthier for ourselves. Understanding the core principles of veganism helps you make informed decisions as you transition. Scene script. Transitioning to veganism doesn't happen overnight. It's a process, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. Just like any significant lifestyle shift, embracing veganism can seem daunting at first, but fear not. By breaking down the transition into simple, manageable steps, the journey can be made much smoother and enjoyable. Let's start with the first step, gradually eliminating meat from your diet. It's not about completely abstaining from the get-go, but rather reducing your meat consumption bit by bit. You might decide to start with meatless Mondays, for instance. Then, as you grow more comfortable, you can add more meat-free days until, voila, you're leading a meatless lifestyle. Next, it's time to say goodbye to dairy. This can be a tricky one, especially if you're fond of cheeses or milk-based products. But don't worry, there are plenty of vegan alternatives out there. From almond milk to cashew cheese, the vegan market is full of delicious, cruelty-free options. Now let's move on to the final step, eliminating all animal products. This includes honey, gelatin, and certain food colorings. It's crucial to read labels diligently to ensure that what you're consuming is indeed vegan. Yes, it can be a bit of a chore at first, but over time, you'll be a pro at spotting non-vegan ingredients from a mile away. Of course, it's not just about what you're removing from your diet, but also about what you're adding. As you explore the world of vegan cuisine, you'll discover an array of nutritious and tasty foods. From lentils to avocados, quinoa to kale, the vegan diet is anything but boring. And let's not forget the importance of a balanced diet. It's essential to ensure you're getting all the necessary nutrients. So don't hesitate to consult with a nutritionist or do your own research to make sure your diet is well-rounded and healthful. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about making conscious choices. Every small step you take towards veganism is a victory, not only for your health but also for the environment and the animals. So take it one step at a time, and before you know it, you'll be living a compassionate vegan lifestyle. So, you're on your way to embracing veganism, but what's next? Well, let's take a moment to recap what we've explored today. We began by understanding veganism, recognizing it as a lifestyle choice that extends beyond diet, influencing our choices in clothing, cosmetics, and more. We learned that it's about expressing compassion and respect for all sentient beings and minimizing harm to our environment. Next, we discussed how to transition gradually into veganism. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about making conscious choices, one meal at a time. Start by incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet and slowly phase out animal products. We also emphasize the importance of maintaining a balanced diet, ensuring you're getting all the necessary nutrients. This includes plant-based proteins, healthy fats, and a rainbow of fruits and vegetables for a spectrum of vitamins and minerals. As you continue on this journey, seek out support and knowledge from vegan communities both online and offline. Becoming a vegan is a journey, not a destination. So take it easy, go at your own pace, and remember, every small step counts.